In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on eBay in a simple and straightforward way. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or a curious newcomer, our easy to follow guide will make the process hassle-free and you'll be ready to click and pay with confidence. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your favorite web browser and head over to the eBay website. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. Otherwise, you'll need to create an account, which is a quick process. Once you're logged in, you can start browsing the vast selection of items available on eBay. Take your time to find the item you want to purchase. There's a good chance you'll find exactly what you're looking for with a variety of options to compare. Once you've located the perfect item, you'll see a variety of purchasing options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Buy It Now option. This way you won't have to go through the bidding process and you can make a quick purchase at the displayed price. When you're ready, click on Buy It Now to proceed to the next step. You'll be brought to a screen where you can review your purchase and make sure everything looks right. If everything checks out, it's time to move on to payment. Here's where PayPal comes into play. You'll see a series of payment methods available. Choose PayPal as your preferred payment option for this transaction. Next, you'll want to click on the Pay with PayPal button. This action will redirect you to the PayPal website where you'll need to log in using your PayPal credentials. Make sure to have your email and password handy, as these will be required to access your PayPal account. After logging in, you'll be presented with the payment details for your eBay purchase. Carefully review the information provided to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, authorize the payment by clicking the Pay Now button, or whichever similar button is indicated. Doing this will finalize your purchase through PayPal, utilizing your preferred payment source linked to your PayPal account. Finally, PayPal will redirect you back to the eBay platform where you'll receive a confirmation that your order has been processed successfully. You'll also receive email notifications from both eBay and PayPal for your reference. And there you have it, you've just made a seamless transaction on eBay using PayPal. Remember, using PayPal offers the added benefit of security for your online purchases, keeping your financial details private on the e-commerce site. Thanks for joining us today and happy shopping.